I'm Jake Lerner. I'm an aspiring robotics engineer and software developer. If I'm honest, as far as I can remember, always wanted to be in the tech industry, whether it's cybersecurity, coding, or even just building machines. It's just all I could ever think about. Mission to Mars gave me the best possible chance. So I was given some resources like an Arduino board and a laptop, and from that you could really build upon your knowledge. I really improved on my communication skills from doing lectures within quite a big hall. We were constantly building on our teamwork and being able to listen to each other really well. My Arduino skills really improved. I mean, now I can sort of just build anything from scratch if I wanted to. I was able to build my Project Claw, which was a prosthetic arm using motion capture. I've always loved sort of sci-fi movies and how robots were portrayed. So when I saw a company called InMove, which is a fully 3D printed arm and robot company, it sort of inspired me. So I took some of the files, changed them up slightly, and then programmed it all myself to be able to sort of work as prosthetic and mimic you. I programmed the arm to be a cheap alternative to your normal prosthetic. It is hopefully able to mimic you fully and then store it in its own memory and storage to be able to use later on, giving it a more natural effect. In the near future, I'd love to be able to do back-end software development, working hands-on with intricate sort of machines and robots to be able to make them do things that people would never really think possible. I'm in the prototyping and sort of designing phase of an exoskeleton which uses McKibben muscles, the gas-powered muscles, to be able to support those who don't have full mobility. So whether it's your arms, legs, it would just sort of be able to support you. And after running it through physics engines, it seems like it would be possible. The advice I'd give is to definitely just reach out. There's no harm in reaching out to professionals or anyone else who's in a similar boat to you. I see my future in a plethora of sort of pathways, whether it's web development, app development, or robotics. So by meeting professionals and having proper conversations with them, you can really see in depth how hard people work within the tech industry and how it really works.